GPT 5.6 and Claude Fable 5 are two of the most powerful AI models available in 2026. But which one is actually better? In this video, I'll compare their performance, coding abilities, reasoning, writing, and pricing to help you choose the right one. Intro. Both models are designed for advanced AI tasks, but they focus on different strengths. Let's quickly compare them category by category. Reasoning and accuracy. GPT 5.6 delivers excellent logical reasoning, problem solving, and factual accuracy. It's especially strong at following complex instructions and handling multi step tasks. Cloudy Fable 5 also performs extremely well. With a focus on thoughtful, detailed responses, it tends to explain its reasoning more clearly, making it useful for research and long form analysis. Winner GPT 5.6 for precision, Cloudy Fable 5 for detailed explanations. Coding performance. For developers, GPT 5.6 is one of the strongest coding models available. It generates clean code, fixes bugs quickly, and supports a wide range of programming languages. Cloudy Fable 5 is also an excellent coding assistant, especially for reviewing code, explaining complex functions, and maintaining large code bases. If your workflow is heavily focused on software development, GPT 5.6 generally has the edge. Writing and content creation. Cloudy Fable 5 shines when it comes to creative writing, articles, summaries, and natural sounding content. Its responses often feel more human and polished. GPT 5.6 is also excellent for writing but focuses more on accuracy, structure, and following instructions precisely. For creative projects, Cloudy Fable 5 has a slight advantage. Which one should you choose? Choose GPT 5.6 if you need the best coding performance, if you want accurate reasoning and reliable answers, if you use AI for technical or professional work. Choose Cloudy Fable 5 if you write blogs, articles, or creative content, if you need detailed explanations and summaries, if you prefer a more natural conversational style. Final verdict. Overall, GPT 5.6 is the better all around AI model for most users, especially developers and professionals. However, if your main focus is writing, research, or creative content, Cloudy Fable 5 remains an outstanding choice. If you found this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which model you are using in 2026. Thanks for watching and goodbye.